to BR Solar channel. Yangzhou Bright Solar Solution Company shorted as BR Solar, located in Yangzhou City and Jiangsu Province. As one supplier of UN and World Bank projects, our products has been exported to more than 159 countries. High voltage lithium battery consists of BMS controller box, battery module, rack, and the cables connector.
This BMS controller box, it works as the brain of whole system, support and charging, smart source monitor and passive balance function. We also have cloud platform which supports remote monitoring and diagnosis of the products, help the distributors save the cost of after-sales service, and easy for technique support that the battery modules are available in 3 types and 51.volts 3.1 for AH. They use hot deep galvanized steel brackets, which are corrosion resistant, rust-proof, and durable. That all batteries are packed by wooden box with C delivery certificate, safety for shipping.
Let us look at the case application of high voltage lithium battery. Thank you for watching our BR Solar channel. See you next time.